Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already requested Google Takeout. Now start by locating the downloaded archive on your computer. Once done, verify the file extension and whether multiple parts exist so you know the right tool to use. Make sure you have enough free disk space. Aim for an extra 10 to 20% beyond the archive size to extract safely. If the archive is password protected, have that password ready. These steps prevent mid-extraction failures and save time when you begin the actual extraction process. Now pick the appropriate extraction tool based on file type. Windows and Mac OS have built-ins for standard zip, but third-party apps like 7-zip or WinRAR handle split or compressed formats more reliably. Once selected, right-click the archive and choose Extract or Extract here. For split archives, start with the first part and the tool will read the rest automatically. If you're prompted for a password, enter it exactly as provided. While extracting, monitor for error messages and pause other heavy disk operations. After extraction, open a sample of different file types to confirm integrity, and that data is where you expect it. If you encounter CRC or integrity errors, try the Archive Tool's repair function. If that fails, re-download the affected archive from Google Takeout. Partial downloads or network interruptions cause corruption. Make sure file sizes or checksums match what Takeout reported. Finally, organize extracted folders and back up important data. This protects you from accidental deletion and keeps the dataset usable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.